Hi, this is Craig at Countryside RV, located in Colfax, Iowa, online at csrvsales.com. And this is a quick video walk around of a 2018 Prime Time Manufacturing Model 26BBS, which is a bunk slide model. I'm going to go inside, and then at the end I'll do another walk around the outside. As you can see, it's got a jackknife sofa, storage above it. Slide out has a large U-dinette, spot for a TV. Kitchen has one big bowl sink, stove and oven, gas electric refrigerator, two bunks, sink outside the bathroom with tub. Point here is just to give you a quick and dirty walkthrough, see everything. Storage under the bed. Alright, we'll go do a quick look at the outside. And this is a 2018 model, still new, on our lot here near Colfax, Iowa. 1 mile north of I-80, exit 159. Online at csrvsales.com. See if this is open. Storage under the rear bunk. Alright, again, this was a 2018 Avenger by Prime Time Manufacturing. Avenger ATI Model 26BBS, available at Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa. Thank you so much for watching.